how to create mockups in Canva easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I will show you how you can easily create mockups in Canva. So before we dive into our tutorial video on how to create mockups, let's first understand what is mockup. A mockup is a full-size model of a design used for product presentations or other purposes. Think of it as a means of showing off what your design will actually look like when it puts out into the real world. For example, we will create design for mockup design for t-shirt using just Canva free software. So first, make sure you have your Canva account, and creating an account is just easy, or you can simply create an account with your Google account. So here in the Canva homepage, just click on create. And since we will be creating a mock-up design for t-shirt, let's go ahead and search for the t-shirt layout. And here you can see different templates that you can make use of for free, but those with money signs and crown signs are need payment or need you to get premium plan. Or if you like to, you can start with blank t-shirt or blank Canva. So let's start with a blank shirt. So the first thing that you need to do is adding a background color for your design. You can try adding colors that will match to the color of your shirt or t-shirt that you will be designing. It depends on you. But I will just keep my background for the design as white. And then I will just go here on the left side tab and go to the text. So here you can add header 1, header 2, and the paragraph text. And here you have a different font style themes here, and I will just find a good font here to use in my design. Just give me a moment. I will just go ahead and scroll down. Okay, let me choose this font, and let me just delete this other one here. I don't need it. Then I will just type here design mockups. And then I will just add some space here because I will add a different text here as well. So let me find another font here. And let me choose this. And I will just put this in the middle. And let me have this one bigger. And I will just type here your, and the other one is own. So this design is design your own mockups. And let me ungroup this since they are being grouped so that I can just move the other one down. I don't want them to be that close, so let me move it. Now I will be changing the text color. First is the yellow color. I will change it because it's not good for the white background. Let me choose a violet maybe for this. And also this black text, I will be changing this one to purple maybe. And then I will just move it a little bit, make it like slant. Then I will add some elements here to make our design fun and amazing. So from the left sidebar, go to elements and search for splash. And then just look for the elements that you want to add in your design. So I will just maybe add these elements. Then I will just bring this at the back of everything. Then I will just adjust the size. And also I will adjust the color. So here you can adjust the color like the brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can also add filters if you like to. So let me just make any adjustment here. And let me change the text color again, maybe, because it doesn't look good. Okay, so here it is. Let me add more elements too. I will add this. And let me put it here. And then let's change the color to maybe like yellow. Then I will just copy and paste it. And I will just rotate it and move it here. Then I will add more elements. Give me a moment. Let me scroll down. So maybe I will add this like a spill block paint. And I will put it here. Let me just adjust the size. And I will just less the opacity. So I guess this is our design now. So for your design to be mock up, just go here, share, and go to social media and search for mock up. and you'll see here the Smart Mockups. Click on it, then click on Use, and then click on Connect. So you need to sign up to Smart Mockups. You can simply sign up with your Google account. And once done, just click here Continue and continue. And after that, you'll be redirected to the Smart Mockup site. So as you can see here, you have your smartphone mockups. But let's go to t-shirt since our design is for the t-shirt. So my design is for a white t-shirt, but you can also change the shirt color if you like to. That will match your design perfectly. Also, I can have my design mock-ups to hoodies, just like this one. So it's really good. And also, I can do markups for phone cases, just like this, or also for packaging, and many more. And by the way, if you will be designing for the mugs, phone cases, um, other things that is small, then the layout for the t-shirt design is not good for these small things because the size is not fit for that small sizes. So there will be a difference when you print it on the small size things. So it's better that you go back to canva.com and you create another design for the mags, for the phone cases, or for the little things. So, for example, design for the mags. You just need to go to Canva and then just create a design. And here, just search for the mag. And Canva has a mag layout already that is perfect for your mag design. So you just need to select the mag layout size here and then you can create your own design for your mag. Same with your phone cases. So just go here and find the perfect layout for your design. And then if you cannot find the layout here, then you can also search it in Google, the perfect layout size for the things that you want to design the mock-ups, and then you can just go to custom and then you can just enter the size that you want. It can be pixel, inches, or any other sizes. So that's how easy and fast you can create your design here using the Canva. And also you can check the real look of your design in the actual products using the smart mockups over here, so that if you have a client or if you have a customer for your design, you can just show this as an example for them to have an idea if what your design look like in an actual product, if it will be printed, for example, for t-shirt, hoodies, mug, then you can do it here. And this is all for free. There is no need for you to spend any dollars for you to do all of these things. Everything is for free. So that's how you can create graphic design on Canva and create as a mock-up. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.